and matchups, your weekly dose of finance and footy.
Before diving into the NRL results, we'll start off with a wrap of the markets.
We'll also be touching on BBC's footy tipping comp. There is a new monthly prize up for grabs.
Okay, straight into the markets. What a week it's been. Recurring themes of the global impact of the US trade policies, more fears of a recession, all causing widespread market sell-offs. To recap the last 5 days, the S&P 500 was down 10.72%, Nasdaq was down 11.27%, and the Dow was down 9.8%. While there was a brief recovery on Tuesday, the markets remained unsettled, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq nearing bear market territory by Wednesday. Locally in Australia, the S&P ASX 200 is down 6.87% over the last week. Worst performers are information technology, energy, and resources sectors. They saw the biggest losses, particularly on Friday and Monday, reflecting the US market and global recession fears and the impact of tariff announcements from Trump. While it can be unsettling, this is all part of the market volatility, and it does present buying opportunities for investors who are willing to step into the more riskier space. To recap commodities, despite the tariff worries, iron ore prices saw mixed results with slight gains in China due to seasonal demand. Prices continued to slide midweek as global concerns deepened. Oil prices plummeted, with Brent crude falling over 6% after OPEC increased production, leading to concerns about demand destruction due to tariffs. Copper also took a major hit, dropping sharply as recession fears weighed on industrial metals. Gold had its ups and downs, initially soaring but then retreating under the 3,000 mark on Wednesday morning as investors moved to cash amid broader market instability. Overall, the market was largely impacted by global economic uncertainty, with only a few defensive sectors holding up well. The next week will be interesting and may present buying opportunities if investors are positioned well.
It was a crazy week with the markets, and it was a crazy week with footy. Panthers lost again.
Yes, and we have a new supporter, Scarlet.
Yeah, up the wires. They did have a bye this week, but I'm hoping they will smash out their next game.
Who, the Warriors? Yeah, well, we're going on to Melbourne, so it'll be tough.
It'll be tough, but I'm a new supporter.
I think we've lost the last 14 games against the Storm.
Okay, so maybe I should have gone for another team.
But it's our year, Scarlett, and
year.
we've got new supporters.
New supporters, fresh face to help support, so it's fun. Yeah. Close game with the Raiders and Sharks. Canberra won 24-22. Really close game, actually.
Yeah, it's a good way to kick off the weekend. I don't know if you got a chance to watch it.
I did, actually.
Yeah, the last trial was crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah. And on Friday, the Cowboys beat the Panthers. I'm not sure what's happened with the Panthers. I'm not sure I want to talk about it, to be honest, but it's quite disappointing, quite upsetting. We haven't won one game in Australia.
Oh, no kidding. I didn't know that.
Only won the Vegas game. Yeah.
Well, okay.
Every other team has won a game.
To be honest, they're still the Panthers. They're still playing well. They just can't put a win together.
Yeah, and I'm not sure if it's because our team split up or because Nathan was off a few of the games. But yeah, it's actually disappointing.
Dylan Edwards was out. He's back.
So maybe it's looking up. So maybe I'll be switching back.
I don't know. Let's just keep that jersey on for now. Scarlett, did you watch the Eels game?
I did watch the Eels game. Golden Point. Zach Lomax playing against his childhood team. I'm pretty sure he played that in jersey flag and all. Right. Crazy game. 23-22.
Yeah, fair play to the Eels. First win of the season.
Oh yeah, actually.
Yeah, first win of the season.
And Josh Adokar was actually playing this game.
Yeah, there you go. Maybe that's why they won.
That's why they won. Yeah. See, I told you.
Okay.
Love him.
Well done, Eels. About time.
Okay, so Chris, what games are you looking forward to this week?
So obviously, I've got my eye on the Warriors coming back. We'll talk about it soon. But Manly, Cronulla. It's probably
who are you backing?
Manly.
Oh, and have you put your tips in for this week?
No, I haven't. I still need to do that.
Make sure you remember to do that. Make sure you remember to do that.
Nice.
We have a new monthly prize.
Yeah.
Another voucher. You have to be in it to win it.
All up for grabs. What about yourself?
Dragons, Titans. I'll like to see if the Dolphins, they beat Titans last week. Can they beat Panthers this week? Can Panthers win a game?
Who are you going for?
I keep forgetting that I've switched over.
Just quickly while we're on this, what's your favourite thing about the Warriors?
My favourite thing about the Warriors is that we haven't been in a grand final for years. So I'm hoping that with my new support and positivity, we'll get there. Kia ora.
Fantastic. Okay. All on tape. Thank you, Scarlett.
Anytime. I like Sean Johnson as well.
He's not playing anymore. That's all right.
He retired last year? That's right. I'm keeping tabs on him.
You like Roger Tuivasa-Sheck?
Yes.
Yeah.
RTS.
RTS.
Jumping into our BBC footy tipping comp. Coming first, our very own Michael Jeffrey again. Second, Red Gilly. And third, last month's winner, Fort Worth. Congrats, guys. Don't forget to put in your tips. Chris needs to remember to do his as well. We have a new prize this month. It is a voucher, so you have to be in it to win it.
Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. That's it for this week's Markets and Matchups.
Join us next week for more finance and footy. Don't forget your tips.